Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste in Gmail on your phone. To do that, go ahead and click in Gmail and open it, of course. Let's say you want to copy something from an email and you want to paste it into a new email, or it doesn't matter, right? I'm going to open up this email right here. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and find the text that you want to copy, press and hold, and you will see that it gives you a pop-up where it will highlight the text and it's going to show you that you can copy. Now, if you want to go ahead and copy more text, just use the two little blue icons and just use your finger to move to the left or to the right and basically adjust it to where you want to copy. So let's say I want to copy there, I move it there. And let's say I want to copy a bit more of the text, I'm going to take the right one and move it to where I want to copy it from. So let's say I want to stop it right here. Then I just adjust it and then I just go ahead and copy the text. And from now you can see that it's copied. Now I can go ahead and I can go back and I can go ahead and let's say create a new one. I can paste it wherever. It doesn't have to be within Gmail, it could be anywhere, but I'm using Gmail as an example. Now I want to paste it. You can see that it auto pops up here from my keyboard, but if it didn't, let's say I can press and hold, and you will see that once I press and hold, it's going to go ahead and give me the option to paste it. So I'm going to press and hold, and you can see that it gives me the option to paste, and I can paste that text there. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple. How to copy and paste text in Gmail.